lovelies, welcome to Pixy Blu Surprise. Today with this Elsas Nail Beauty Cone and 2 surprise eggs from Frozen. This is Elsas Beauty Cone and now we're gonna see what's inside. Let's open it. Oh, it's a pink nail polish. It's something to spread the fingers or your toenails. And the Frozen sticker with Elsa and Anna. Let's put on some pink nail polish. That's cute, it's a star. Let's see how it looks. It's very light pink. And it's shimmering. It has some glitter inside. Let it dry a little bit. Maybe we can have a second layer. It's very light. It's almost white. And it's shimmering. It's beautiful. This is better to use for your toenails. Let's see what's in the surprise eggs from the movie Frozen. Let's see what's inside. It's Olaf, the snowman. Isn't that a cute figure? Let's see what's in the second surprise egg from Frozen. It's the figure Anna. It's Anna in a beautiful blue purple dress. Anna and Olaf are having fun together in a winter wonderland. Well, lovelies, thanks for watching Pixy Blu Surprise. See you next time on my channel. Bye bye.